Take a look at this Buick just in here at Unique, especially in classics. It's what we'd call a little later model classic car, but again, hard to believe these cars are over 20 years old now. 1996 Buick Riviera. Beautiful two-door, very luxurious cars. And these came out, they're Buick's top of the line model. This particular one is the supercharged version, so it does have the 3800 bulletproof engine underneath the hood, very popular engine, and like I said, it is the supercharged model, so got a little horsepower to this one. These will get up and move right along. As you can see, wine color inside and out, kind of a burgundy leather interior along with the exterior. Now, as you can see, it has had some little kind of rock chips touched up. You can tell it's been meticulously cared for. This car very nice on the inside, engine bay, undersides of it, very clean car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and approximately 49,000 miles on it, so a lot of life left in this car, some good miles in it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, check out the engine bay, interior, see how clean this car is. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Sure, give us a call too at 507-386-1726. As you can see up and down the side of this car, very straight, not full of a bunch of dings, nicks, scratches. And as far as the interior on these, like I said, very luxurious, just comfy. Bucket seats up front, shifter on the floor. This is basically like a luxurious sport model from Buick back in 1996. And very highly optioned, heated seats. Climate control, as you can see, CD and cassette player. Steering wheel controls for radio. This particular one also has factory installed sunroof or moonroof. And no, it does not leak. It's the factory installed quality ones. So extremely nice car inside and out. Like I said, a lot of miles left in this car. You want a nice luxurious cruiser, here it is. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and this car may be eligible for an extended warranty. Consult with your sales associate when you call in. Email us. We'll be happy to help you out with that. You can see the paint's got a nice luster to it. See the reflection off the wall and the ceiling. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms the miles. Let's go ahead and pop this driver's door so you can take a look at the interior a little closer. We'll start it up, check out the engine bay. Cockpit kind of wrapped around through the side doors in these, so when it's closed, it gives you kind of a one-piece cockpit feel. Here's your memory seats, heated seats, power mirrors, power locks, tilt the cruise, steering wheel controls up here, and again, you would have traction control on this, also your climate control, again CD and cassette. But look at the condition of these seats. Not ripped, torn, even really worn much for that matter. Show the exact miles, 49,532. What's on the odometer, and there are no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that lit up on here. You can see there's your stereo system, dual climate control, passenger side temperature controls over there. You can hear that 3800 just purr too. Slip around to the back just to see how quiet this car is. Very smooth running 3800. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay. Let's see how it looks under there. Yeah, all right, got the hood popped here. There's your 3800 Supercharged V6. Extremely clean. Again, what you'd expect out of a car with this kind of miles on it. 49,000 mile Buick Riviera. Clean Carfax, ready to go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures of this. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it, take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. And of course, it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.